99% of people never achieve their goals, and you might be one of them. But there's one thing that separates the top 1%. Stick around till the end, and you'll learn how to break into that elite group. Saying "I want to be successful" is not a goal, it's just a dream. The top 1% set clear, measurable goals with deadlines. Instead of "I want to make more money," say, "I will make $10,000 in 6 months by selling digital products." If you don't know how to reach your goal, you never will. You need a solid plan. What are you doing daily? What steps bring you closer to success? "99% of people quit after their first failure. But the top 1%? They use failure as a lesson. If something doesn't work, they adjust their strategy, but they never stop. You can stay in the 99% who just dream, or you can start taking action right now. Drop your biggest goal in the comments, and let's make sure you become part of the 1%.